Hey everyone, you're sitting in a trendy coffee shop, sipping a latte, and scrolling through your phone. You come across a post about Monzo, a popular digital bank. Hook. Have you ever wondered what banks use Monzo? It's a question that has puzzled many people, especially those who are curious about the inner workings of the banking industry. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of Monzo's partnerships and uncover the banks that have chosen to leverage its innovative platform. Understanding Monzo. Before we dive into the partnerships, let's quickly recap what Monzo is. Monzo is a UK-based digital bank that has gained immense popularity for its user-friendly interface, fee-free services, and innovative features. It's known for its budgeting tools, instant notifications, and the ability to set spending limits. Monzo's business model. Monzo's business model is primarily based on interchange fees, which are small charges levied on card transactions. These fees are typically paid by merchants to the card networks, and a portion is then shared with the issuing bank, in this case, Monzo. This revenue stream allows Monzo to offer its services to customers at no cost. Partnerships and collaborations. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What banks use Monzo? While Monzo may not have its own physical branches, it has formed strategic partnerships with other banks that provide the necessary infrastructure and compliance. These partnerships can take various forms, including white label partnerships. In a white label partnership, a bank licenses Monzo's technology and branding to offer its own digital banking services. This allows the partner bank to benefit from Monzo's innovative features without having to build its own platform from scratch. API integration. Another common approach is through API integration. Banks can integrate Monzo's APIs into their existing systems, enabling them to offer certain Monzo features to their customers, such as budgeting tools or instant notifications. Joint ventures. In some cases, banks and Monzo may form joint ventures to create new digital banking products or services. These joint ventures can combine the strengths of both parties to offer a more comprehensive solution to customers. Specific examples. While it's difficult to provide a comprehensive list of all the banks that use Monzo's services, here are a few notable examples. Metro Bank, a UK-based challenger bank, has partnered with Monzo to offer its customers a digital banking experience. Tandem Bank, another UK-based challenger bank, has also leveraged Monzo's technology to provide innovative banking services. N26, a German digital bank with a global presence, has explored partnerships with Monzo to enhance its product offerings. The benefits of Monzo partnerships. Why do banks choose to partner with Monzo? There are several key benefits that these partnerships can provide. Innovation. Monzo is known for its innovative approach to banking. By partnering with Monzo, banks can gain access to cutting-edge technology and features that can help them stay competitive in the market. Efficiency. Monzo's platform is designed to be efficient and scalable. By leveraging Monzo's technology, banks can streamline their operations and reduce costs. Customer experience. Monzo has a reputation for providing a great customer experience. By partnering with Monzo, banks can improve their own customer satisfaction and loyalty. Conclusion. So, what banks use Monzo? While Monzo may not have its own physical branches, it has formed strategic partnerships with a number of banks to offer its innovative digital banking services. These partnerships can take various forms, including white label partnerships, API integration, and joint ventures. By partnering with Monzo, banks can benefit from its innovative technology, efficiency, and focus on customer experience. As the digital banking landscape continues to evolve, we can expect to see more partnerships between traditional banks and fintech companies like Monzo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.